Do you feel the vibes?
Hello grade 6, how are you everyone? This is Mr. Ahmed Samir and the second lesson of grade 6, properties of ratio. Let's start our session. The first point in our session is units of length. At the last video, we learned how to convert between the units of length, like from kilometer to meter times 1000, and from meter to decimeter times 10, and from decimeter to centimeter times 10, finally from centimeter to millimeter times 10. And we said before, we can say 1000, 10, 10, 10, 1000, 10, 10, 10. So if we have an example like 3000 meter to 5 كيلومتر، في مقولة بنقولها دايما ان احنا من حق الكبير يتحول. يعني انا دلوقتي لما اجي ابص على المتر والكيلومتر، فانا عندي اليونت الكبيرة هي الكيلومتر، فدي دايما اللي هتتحول. طب احولها ازاي للمتر؟ ان احنا بنعمل تايمز 1000. يبقى احنا اول اكزامبل معانا ازاي ان انا احول من كيلومتر للمتر عن طريق ان انا بعمل تايمز 1000. So 3000 meter to 5 kilometer, we will convert kilometer to meter by multiplying 1000 equals 3000 meter as it is, and 5 times 1000 equal 5000. Then we can simplify it. نبدأ ان احنا نبسطها بان احنا نعمل removing ل 3 zeros from 5000 and 3000 كأني بعمل divide by 1000، بس احنا هنعمل removing للzeros only. يبقى the simplest form will be 3 to 5. Then let's learn again the steps to convert or to make this example in the simplest form. ازاي ان احنا نحط الاكزامبل دوت في السمبلست فورم؟ اولا بنحول من الكبير للصغير، من كيلومتر للمتر، عن طريق ان انا بعمل تايمز 1000. بعد كده هعمل the simplest form للنمبرز اللي عندي، ان انا اعمل removing the 3 zeros with the 3 zeros, then the result will be 3 to 5. Another example, 400 centimeter to 2 meter. طبعا هنشوف الاول the greatest unit اللي هي عندي meter. To convert from meter to centimeter times 100, then 2 times 100 equals 200. الترتيب مهم جدا، يعني الأول بيقول لي 400 سنتيمتر، مش أجي بقى أبدأ ب 200، لأ، زي ما هي مترتبة الأول بيجي الأول والتاني هو التاني. يبقى 400 to 200، نعمل removing ل 2 zeros, then the result will be 4 to 2 dividing by 2 equals 2 to 1. أنا ممكن أحط 400 divide 200 على الكالكوليتر، برضه هتطلع لي 2 to 1. Secondly, units of area. We have 5 units for the area: kilometer square, meter square, decimeter square, centimeter square, and millimeter square. From kilometer square to meter square times 1 million, and from meter square to decimeter square times 100, from decimeter square to centimeter square times 100, finally from centimeter square to millimeter square times 100. Let's see an example. Half meter square to 75 decimeter square. The greater unit in this example is meter square. Then we will convert from meter square to decimeter square. زي ما اتعلمنا من حق الكبير يتحول، يبقى هنحول من meter square to decimeter square by multiplying by 100. Then half times 100 equals 50 to 75، والترتيب مهم. Then we can use the calculator by dividing. Then 50 divided 75 equals 2 to 3. Then the result, it will be 2 to 3. Another example, 2250 centimeter square to quarter meter square. The greater unit is meter square. Then we will convert from meter square to centimeter square. هنحول من meter square للcentimeter square by multiplying by 10,000. We have two zeros between meter square and decimeter square, and two zeros from decimeter square to centimeter square. Then from meter square to centimeter square multiply by 10,000. Then it will be quarter times 10,000. The ratio will be 2,250 to 2,500. We can use the calculator by dividing. The result will be 9 to 10. The next point, units of weight. There are three units for the weight: ton, kilogram, and gram. From ton, the greater, to kilogram times 1000. From kilogram to gram times 1000. Let's see an example, but in the simplest form: 2500 kilogram to 1.75 ton. The greater here is ton, so we will convert. احنا هنحول from ton to kilogram using times 1000. It will be 1750. Then the ratio will be 2500 to 1750. Using your calculator by dividing, it will be 10 to 7. Now let's learn units of time. From year to month times 12. From week to day times 7. From day to hour times 24. And from hour to minute times 60. Finally, from minute to second times 60. Let's see an example, but in the simplest form: 3 weeks to 24 days. The greater unit is weeks, so we will convert from week to day. يبقى احنا هنحول من الكبير، من حق الكبير يتحول، هنحول من week ل days. والترتيب مهم. نقول 3 times 7 equals 21 to 24. Using your calculator, it will be 7 to 8. Thank you for listening, and wait for me the next session, inshallah. Goodbye.